to an individual or an athlete who did an outstanding sporting journey to bring pride and glory to our country. This is a legend in the Hall of Fame.
May we ask Mr. Eduardo Cataputa with Senator Bongo, Chairman of both Committees on Sports and Youth in the Senate, together with POC President Mayor Bambol Tolentino and PSC Chairman Richard Backman, as well as Congressman Mikey Romero, to present the award.
Good evening. I did this reach for an excellent sporting journey with wondrous feats that lifted the country to glory on numerous occasions, including that one fine day in the summer of 2021 in Tokyo, where she broke down the barrier that stood for nearly a century between the Philippines and an Olympic medal, and for becoming an icon that is more than just a stellar athlete, with a legacy to be looked upon by generations of Filipinos. This Wonder Woman is elevated by the Philippine Sports Writers Association to its Hall of Fame, where the greatest of our athletes are mentioned. Congratulations, Canadians.
Aiden Diaz, and to receive the award on behalf of Aiden Diaz, POC President Mayor Abraham Bambol Tolentino, to receive this prestigious Hall of Fame award.
Si Roan Beltran. At kasamahan ko yan si Media. Dati si Media.
Please stay on stage for the next award. You will also be presenting.
Now, unfortunately, Aiden Diaz won't be able to be with us tonight, but she sent a video message for all of us, so please watch this.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Salamat sa PSA para sa karamahan ng mundo. Salamat po sa suporta ninyo sa akin at sa buong sports community dito sa ating bansa. Napakahalaga ang papel ninyo sa pagpapalagan ng katotohanan, kahusayan at kabutihan sa larangan ng sports at paglaban sa fake news at anumang hindi makakabuti sa pangkahalatan. Panatilihin natin ang kagalingan, sipag, tiyaga at integridad sa ating mga gawain. At patuloy natin ialay ang ating mga natatambiyanan sa ating Diyos, bansa at higit sa lahat sa ating mahal na pamilya. Sa ulit-ulit, lagi tayong babalik sa pagpapahalaga sa ating pamilya, sa personal man o sa pamilyang Pilipino. Maging instrumento sana tayo lahat ng lahat ng sigla, tapang at inspirasyon para sa isa't isa. Mabuhay po tayong lahat at salamat. Salamat sa patuloy ninyong suporta sa akin at sa aking pamilya rin sa Way with You. Mahal ko kayo. Salamat din po kay Sir Jun Navarro ng Philippine Daily Inquirer sa paghahatid at pagsasabuhay ng mensahe nito. Mahal na mahal kayo ng pamilya niyo. Pamilya po tayo lahat. Mabuhay po kayo.